Hello students, welcome back to Standard 8 Mathematics Digital Class. Today we are going to solve practice set 10.2. Divide and write the quotient and remainder. That is how to divide a polynomial by a binomial. Here in the first question, y square plus 10y plus 24 divided by y plus 4. Here, y square plus 10y plus 24 is a polynomial, that is the dividend. Divide that polynomial by y plus 4, which is a binomial. Here we write this division. Y square plus 10y plus 24 divided by y plus 4. Here first term of the polynomial y square, and here first term of the divisor is y. So we have to multiply the first term of the divisor, that is y, by y to get y square, which is the first term of the dividend. So y square plus 10y plus 24 is the dividend and y plus 4 is the divisor. So we have to multiply y by y to get y square. Now y into 4, that is here it is plus 4. Y into 4 is plus 4y. Now subtracting, this sign will change. Plus becomes minus. If sign is not given, that means it is minus. So this term will get cancelled. Now plus 10y minus 4y. After changing the sign of the second expression, each and every term of the second expression, and then add plus 10y minus 4y. Answer is 6y. That is the sum of plus 10 and minus 4. Plus 10 and minus 4 difference is 6. Bigger number is 10. So its sign is plus. So this is plus 6y. And writing the next term plus 24. Now here first term here is 6y and here y. So we have to multiply this y by 6 to get 6y. So this is plus, here it is plus 6. 6 into y, 6y plus 6 into plus 4 plus 24. When we subtract this, sign will change and we will get 0 as the remainder. So here quotient is, writing the answer as quotient is equal to y plus 6 and remainder is 0. That is, this is how to divide a polynomial. Here it is a trinomial by a binomial. Binomial means having the expression having two terms. So this is the answer. Third question is 3x plus 2x square plus 4x cube divided by x minus 4. Here see the dividend, the terms of the dividend are not in the descending order of their indices. First we write the terms of the polynomial according to their indices, descending order of their indices. That is, here first we write 4x cube plus 2x square plus 3x divided by x minus 4. Here first term, this is the dividend, 4x cube plus 2x square plus 3x is the dividend and x minus 4 is the divisor. So here first term is 4x cube, first term of the divisor is x. So x into what is equal to 4x cube, that is we have to multiply x by 4x square to get 4x cube. 4x square into x is 4x cube. 4x square minus 4, that is minus 16x square. Subtracting, here minus will come and this will change as plus 4x cube minus 4x cube, we will get 0, plus 2x square and plus 16x square, plus 2 and plus 16, 18. 18x square plus next term is 3x. Now again consider the first term 18x square and here it is x. X into what is equal to 18x square? X into 18x. 18x. 18x into x is 18x square. 18x minus 4 minus 18 into 4 is 72, then x. Again subtracting, sign will change. Here this term will get cancelled. Then plus 3x and plus 72x is plus 75x. Now, again 75x, we have to multiply x by 75 to get 75x. So here plus 75. 75 into x is 75x. And 75 minus 4 minus 300. Again subtraction. Sign will change here minus and here it will become plus. 75x means if you want you can write 0 here because there is here there is no constant term, 0 only. Now again subtraction, 75x minus 75x, 0 plus 0, that is 0 only, and plus 300. So here we get 300 as the remainder. Now we write the answer. Quotient is equal to, what's the quotient? Is equal to 4x square plus 18x plus 75 and remainder is equal to 300. This is the answer.